Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the crude oil price prediction based on Elliott Wave Analysis. So we're going to take a look at the crude oil after our top here that we got during the tension between the US and Iran. So we start to see a very large psychology here between up and downs, which it can be currently an A and a B and a C here, looking for a kind of like a three ways toward the downside unfolding for the scenario. Sorry, the wave B should be there. So we are in an A, B, and a C. Potentially the wave C is a double 1-2. So 1-2 and a 1-2, and this is your massive wave 3. And then 4-5 to reach around the $58. This is our general scenario here and perspective for the crude oil. Now, what I see exactly here is a very likely potential wave 3 finished on the 1 hour chart, where you are looking here at double 1-2 inside your wave 3, 4 and a 5, a 4 and a 5. Now, if this is your wave 4 finish there very fast, and that we are pushing downward already for wave 5, that means your wave 5 here is a little bit a question mark, because I start to see a wave 4 longer than wave 2 for a diagonal. So if this diagonal is not gonna work here, and this wave 4 is starting to showing strengths here, because of course it's a signal there, be careful, it's a question mark or even a warning signal for something bullish a little bit, meaning very likely as well that this wave 4 can be unfinished with just single push toward the upside here, and it can be still looking for something higher, meaning a potential A here, B, and a wave C, that it can keep coming back to this area where we are still looking for wave 4. So I think that this is a bull flag here somehow. Once I start to see a wave 4 becoming longer than wave 2, and what I mean with this, by taking the length of the wave 2 here, you will realize that we are very close. Let's go inside it, by the way, 15-minute chart. Here we go. So this is our 1-to-1. Okay, it didn't touch it yet, but this is your signal, meaning from this point I might confirm something very bullish, confirmation for higher. That because wave 4 is not allowed to be longer than the wave 2, and that means this can transform to 1-2, 1-2, and then another 1-2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. A large expanding flat A, B, and a C. So we're gonna mark this because this probability is becoming stronger. So yeah, be careful with this scenario. Very likely to happen once we take the 70K here. Sorry, the $70.64. So this is a very strong confirmation, I would say, for something pushing for higher, because your ending diagonal is finishing up. Your wave 3 also is perfectly hitting here at the 1.618. So I'm gonna put this to the left. So this is your wave 3 there, 1.618, perfectly taken. And we start with an A, B, and a C expanding flat there, where you are looking here very likely as well to 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We're gonna watch also this scenario if it's gonna start very soon, and that if it will be confirmed. Yeah, so if not, okay, we want to continue the drop from there. You don't want to see something pushing for higher. If this happens, definitely we're looking for this red zone, which is already our target, guys. And I think even we need to update this. Yes, we need to update it, because it is a wave 4 in the white. This was the wave 4 in the magenta before it, but currently, because we're looking at a signal of strength and a shallow wave 4, so that is still, of course, the wave 4 in white scenario there. Okay, in white scenario, which is of course negligible at the end. Both wave 4 will come back as a guideline, will come back to the same area. So 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5 as well for later on. Yep, so that was it for WTI or crude oil. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.